Hello, today is September 30th, 2024. Just wanted to make one video for some of the best penny stocks to keep an eye on in the last few months this year. Each one has a great potential to go parabolic. So let's just go ahead and get started with the first one. It's ticker symbol FFIE. Has spiked a few times this year, and it could actually go, could continue to spike at least one or two more times. It's Faraday Future Intelligent Electric. I made about $500 off of it this year. Nothing major, but still, it's an easy stock to put on your watch list, and if it starts to go higher, you can go with the momentum and make a decent profit. The second stock is Phunware, ticker symbol PHUN. I started talking about this company back in January when it was 28 cents a share. It's now currently trading at over $3.50. Back in January, when I put it on the watch list and on my TikTok live, it went from 28 cents to over $13 in under 2 months. This stock is, tied to Donald Trump, and with the election coming close by, both Phunware and another stock I'm talking about, Trump Media and Technology, ticker symbol DJT, should both have an excellent chance of going parabolic at least a couple of times. Trump Media and Technology currently trading at $16.40 a share. It's a heavily traded company, over 15 million shares traded any given day. So plenty of volatility there, and it should go parabolic at least 1, 2, maybe 3 times by December. The better Donald Trump does, obviously, would be a very good catalyst for both of these companies just mentioned. The next company has already been in one of my past videos. Stocks to buy under $25 a share. It's ticker symbol JMIA, JMIA Technologies. It's currently trading at between $3 and $5 range. But it's back down after earnings. But right before the video, as soon as I posted the video, within a matter of weeks, the thing was up 55%. And then it happened to have earnings, and went right back down. So as always, with any of these stocks in this watch list, always take profits. I mean, it did exactly as expected. You can watch my last video on it. We called it correct, and congratulations to everyone who got paid by following my advice on that stock. As always, you got to do your own due diligence, see which stocks are right for you. And these stocks are speculative, and basically they're meant to be day traded, and I personally don't see these as long-term investments. My main videos focus on long-term investments, not short-term. So this right here is just a stock that could go higher. That's not one that's a long-term investment for me personally. If it falls below $4 a share, I'll buy back in. You can follow all my Twitter stocks. You find the best companies that I invest in on Twitter, Instagram, and I also have a list on YouTube. Twitter is where if you follow my account, you can get all my latest trade signals from Eli Lilly, Apple, NVDA, Microsoft, any that matters. You can make money same time I do. Also, check out the comments below. You can get a free stock from Webull. Webull is the only brokerage I use still doing the Webull challenge. Up over $32,000 this year day trading stocks. Please hit the like and follow button. Trying to get this account monetized. Also trying to get my other social media platforms monetized. Also, I have a TikTok live and Instagram live between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. Eastern. So feel free to join me. It's all about making money. It's win-wins. We talk greatest companies in the world. Also the top gainers for that particular morning. If you follow my account, you'll get a free top gainers watch list. I mean, any given morning, you know, we go over 2 or 3 stocks that's going parabolic. And I also send out alerts of stocks that are forming certain formations, like a cup handle, which, if you're unfamiliar with a cup handle, it has over a 90% winning percentage. And every stock that I've sent an alert on has went up as expected. You know, I mean, as always, you can lose money in these companies, but every time I send an alert out, I've only sent out like 4 alerts. They've all went parabolic, and you can make it easy 10, 20, 30, even 50% or more. Other things to go over real quick. You know, the month of September has been rough for stocks. They kind of tumbled at the start of September. The Fed happened to cut rates by 50 basis points, and that was a major help, and helped all these stocks rebound nicely. It was a nice catalyst for NVDA, as well as Eli Lilly and a few other companies. I'm currently holding NVDA, also Eli Lilly, CAVA, and I've been trading CVNA as well. So we can go over those companies real quick. NVDA, it's been trading between roughly between 123 and 118 a share. It was down 2% this morning, but recovered during the day. So it was just it's more of a fake out. Its actual low today was 118.15, and the high was 121.50. Personally, NVIDIA is the best company to own long term. It's the #1 company that I believe in owning. It's got such a large moat. It's really by far and away #1. There's no other company even close. The second company, Eli Lilly, picked up a few shares there at 880. Also picked up an option of Eli Lilly. You know, options are where you buy 100 shares of a company for a fraction of the price. Basically, you don't actually buy the shares. You basically will make the profits or the losses from where you buy the stock at. So if you buy, say, Eli Lilly at 880 and it goes to 900, you actually make the profits the same amount that if you owned 100 shares. That's for more advanced traders, but something to look into, because you know you can buy the contracts for a fraction of the price. The next company, CAVA, because the market's been broadening out, and basically all that means is the large caps are not doing as well as the small cap companies. Basically, if you owned CAVA Group or CVNA, you would have made a lot more money than if you had the top 10 companies in the world. You know, CAVA, ticker symbol CAVA. Just looking at its chart real quick, it's amazing how high it actually went up. You know, and it still has a ton of room to grow. But it's trading at 123.69, and if you just look at its chart, it has a nice trajectory of it just continuing to climb higher. Looks like a mountain. And then you got the CAVA, another stock that's just outperformed the market by far and away. These are the two hottest stocks. It's currently trading at 173.93. Today it's traded between 165.99 and 175. Anytime it goes below 170, I believe in buying CAVA. And CAVA, if it falls below 123 a share, I'd pick up some shares of it. Appreciate everyone watching my videos. Please hit the like and follow button. I'll make another video next week. If there's any stocks you'd like me to talk about, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to include them in my video. I'll see you all next week. I hope you have a very profitable week.